Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Bosch washing machine Series 6. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's basically two different ways how we could do this. The first way is a basic power reset and the other way is a control panel reset. So for method one, a basic power reset, what we first need to do is turn off the machine. So use the power button to switch off the washing machine, and then we need to unplug the machine. So disconnect the washing machine from the power outlet and then simply wait. So leave the machine unplugged for at least a minute to allow any residual power to dissipate. Then from here, plug in and turn on. So reconnect the machine to the power outlet and turn it back on. From here, run a test cycle. So optionally, run a short cycle without any laundry to ensure the reset was successful. This process can help clear minor glitches and error codes. And now the other way is a control panel reset. So for certain Bosch Series 6 models, a more specific reset procedure may be required. So the first thing we need to do is turn the program dial to off. Then we close the door, make sure the washing machine door is closed securely, and then set dial to spin. So turn the program dial to spin position. Then from here, press and hold the spin button. While holding the spin button, turn the program dial one click clockwise. Release the button. So after a few seconds, release the spin button. This display may flash or reset, indicating that the machine has been reset.